Hi everyone, this is Brenda Beatty from Brenda Beatty's Brush Strokes. Today we're going to paint a stormy sky. This is very fast, it needs very little equipment, very little supplies, and this is what your painting could turn out to look like. So let's get started. So I'm going to start wetting my paper. I do have a small drawing here, but you can't see it, I don't imagine. There's a pencil line here that just denotes a horizon with some hills on it. I'm cleaning my brush now. I didn't realize it was dirty. I use a 20-inch round brush, and I like it because it holds a lot of paper, a lot of paint, and a lot of water. I'm going to get the whole sky area wet first before I do anything else, quite wet. My paper is taped down to a board with masking tape, and I'm going to use Sepia, Ultramarine blue, and violet. I want to make a very dark color with the three of them. A dark gray. I think that's about right. And I'm just going to run it right through the middle here of this painting. I think maybe a little more water on it, and another one beside it. Right down here. That's all I'm going to do. We'll just see how that turns out. We'll let it dry, and then I'll do the foreground. Well, perhaps I'll do a few more little strokes here. That's about it. Watercolor is quite magical. So we'll just see what happens, what kind of a sky we get with that. I'll be back when it's dry. Well, I quite like the way the clouds turned out. It almost looks like the rain is falling out of them. I'll just quickly do the foreground, and I'll speed it up for you